Hello everyone. Topic for today is all about all of balls refers to the most part of Lascaux cave in Montignac, France, which feature Paleolithic cave painting of animals like bulls, horses, and bison. Created between approximately 16,000 and 14 BCE. This is merit large size is one ball is over 17 long feet and used for caves natural contours. The whole of dominated by four large black balls is also despite horses, bison, studs, and a mysterious unicorn. They are using materials pigment for earth and iron. The artist used a natural rock surface to give the animals a three-dimensional appearance, making them appear in a motion and curious on purpose. First, realistic, ritualistic, and painting. Third, narrative, symbolic. The painting may tell stories have symbolic meaning, showing the important relationship between the people and animals on their world. Thank you.